6:30 na? Ha? 6:30 na? 6:30 na? 6:30 na?
Yeah, so starting October 21, 6:30 ng upbeat. Kaya kung saan ka man galing, makakapag-relax ka pa. But wait, there's more! Habang naghihintay ka magsimula ang upbeat, from 5 to 6, magkakaroon tayo ng sharing, counseling, at board games. More time for fellowship, more time for fun. Excited ka na ba? Kasi ako excited na!
That she was just walking down the street singing. Tapping her fingers and shuffling her feet singing.